What is that? I'm hearing heartbeats, no? Faster, pabilis ng pabilis, malakas yung tibok ng puso, kinakabahan, no? So, kung sino man tong energy na to na maaaring kinakabahan siya sa yeah, okay, thoughts, I just heard thoughts, no? Kinakabahan siya sa tuwing naiisip ka niya. Yun, no? Ano kayang kakaba-kaba sa naiisip niya? Kinakabahan siya, bumibilis yung tibok ng puso niya, mga babes, no? Okay, I'm hearing that person's heartbeat, no? Pabilis ng pabilis, palakas ng palakas. Don't get it wrong, I'm not sensing that this person here has a heart disease or whatever illness, like wala. But this person here, no, kinakabahan siya rito sa tuwing maiisip or naiisip kanya. Oh, that's big. So let us see who that person is. Just take only what resonates. Okay, let's go ahead and check other details. Okay, listen. This is something here, no, like a special reading here, no, for someone watching, okay? So just take only what resonates. So let me keep moving. Okay. Okay. So I do pick up no that this is something here that must find you. Yeah, this special reading must find you before the first full moon of next year, of the new year, no? And if I'm not mistaken, no, okay, January 3, 2026, no, yung first full moon ng 2026. So, this must find you, itong reading na to, if you see this video before January 3, 2026, then high chance this reading ay for you. Yan. Ba't na bang meron dyan, Miss Yan? No? Well, mamaya. So, hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers, returning Istam buyers. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong walang sawang love at support for me. At kung hindi niyo pa alam, may pa po tayo na other channel. Link down below sa ating description box. So, if interesado, click lang po yung link dyan para mapunta kayo doon. At araw-araw ay nag-upload po tayo ng collective readings for all signs there. At syempre wala tayong gender dito sa babae, lalaki, LGBT. Lahat ay welcome. Pwede rin pong i-switch ang mga roles dahil possible magkapalit-palit kasi general reading ito. And at the end of the day, lahat ay may free will na free mong gamitin anytime, anywhere. So, timeless din tayo dito. Pwedeng nangyari na sa iba sa inyo. Pero yes, high chance, mangyayari pa lamang ito. Bakit ano ba yan, Miss Yan? So, sa nakikita ko dito, no, if this reading, no, you found or you find this reading here, no, bago mag January 3, okay, which is the first full moon of 2026, no, then high chance that this reading ay sa'yo. Well, the big message here is that, okay, after January 3, yung mga susunod na araw doon, no, okay, or yung mga basta pagtapos ng January 3, mga babes, no, anumang araw ito, no, or anuman itong petsa or whatsoever, no, okay, I do pick up, no, na meron ka ritong ex na magbabalik. Yan, no. So, nakita ko ritong ini-end niya na ang kaguluhan ng kanyang isipan. Ini-end niya na rito yung mga bagay, no, na nagpapagulo ng kanyang isipan, no, para lumapit sa inyo. At nakikita ko rito, okay, na babalik itong tao na 'to 'no, okay, after January tree. So yan mga babes 'no, anumang petsa yan 'no, definitely there's this big message coming from that full moon. So definitely I do see 'no, na sa pagbabalik ng taong ito puwedeng may sinisimulan kang bago or may sinisimulan ka at ipinagpapatuloy mo na ngayon at hanggang sa taong 2026. Ano man yan, it's definitely something that you've just, started. It could be a business, it could be a new job, a new work, or it could be a new you. Okay, or maybe you've changed something about your style or whatsoever. There's something new about you that you've just started. Okay, so whatever that is, just take how this resonates. But definitely your ex, I don't know kung sino to sa mga ex mo, pero may ex kang magbabalik. And this ex of yours ay manifesting you back sa kanyang life. Okay, sorry about that commercial mga babes. Now let's now go back dito sa ating pinag-uusapan, no? This ex of yours ay manifesting you pabalik sa kanyang life, no? And I do pick up, no, that this person here, like what I've said, kanina, hindi ko alam kung sino sa mga ex mo itong magbabalik, pero may ex kang magbabalik. Na definitely this person here is someone, no, na hanggang ngayon mahal ka pa rin, hanggang ngayon nasa isip ka pa rin, 'no, and parang feeling niya nagkulang siya sa'yo or hindi niya rito 'no, naibigay rito ang lahat 'no, ng kanya rito na dapat ay naibigay or naipakita niya sa inyo 'no. Parang feeling niya may pagkukulang siya, parang feeling niya rito mga babes 'no, na gusto niya itong punan 'no, and nakikita ko din dito na itong person na 'to na parang may energy rin 'no, na parang feeling niya hindi niya pa napakita sa inyo talaga rito yung talagang love or yung pagmamahal na deserve ninyo 'no. So nakita ko rito na willing siya na ibigay ito sa pagkakataong ito. So definitely puwedeng matagal na kayong hindi nagkita or matagal ng huli 'no, nung naging kayo na matagal na 'no. And I do pick up that this person here could be, coming back to steal your heart once again 'no. This person here will make you fall in love sa kanya rito 'no, kung may chance pa siya rito sa inyo. Ayan 'no, definitely I do see that this person here could be working on, some kind of tactics, strategy, plans, okay, goals, okay, related right here, no, sa inyo. But definitely, I do see that you're guarded up with the Nine of Wands energy, and you might be thinking, why? Why is this ex of mine coming back into my life? Why he or she is trying to catch my attention again? Is this person here trying to fool me lang or whatsoever? Baka may hidden agenda, blah, 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 no, etc., etc. But I do see that wala naman. I do pick up that whoever this ex of yours, no, nababalik after January 3, 2026, I do pick up that this is someone here who is definitely serious in taking this next level of commitment here with you guys, no? So nakita ko dito na pwedeng dati hindi kanya napanindigan or hindi niya dito napanindigan yung love niya for you or hindi niya dito naibalik yung love na binigay mo sa kanya, may pagkukulang, nagkulang siya, whatever. I do see that this person here is now willing to fill the gap, okay? Or willing siya rito na punan ang lahat ng iyon, no? Hindi dahil sa may pagkakautang siya ng loob sa'yo, hindi dahil gusto niya lang na parang gawin ito for you, kundi dahil this person here is operating from the place of love at may nabuhay na spark yun. Kita mo yung apoy na yan, kaya siya magbabalik dito sa piling mo, no? Because this person here is finally seeing the light. Now, this person here is now a different version of himself or herself, no? Not just version 2.0, but could possibly be version 3.0. See? So, I do pick up, nag-mature siya, and look at that, this person here is walking to that light, no? Sa pathway na may light, no? May sun. Kasi nakikita ko rito na nagising siya and this person here is being enlightened by the truth. Okay? Somehow, nandito yung hermit because na-realize niya rito, no, that you really are the one. Yeah. So, I do see that this person here is someone 'no, na puwedeng magduda ka at first. Bakit? Anong kailangan niya? Blah, 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 and all of those stuffs. But I do see that this person here 'no, ipapakita niya sa inyo dito because this person here will put the work, okay, will work on this Eight of Coins energy and nakita ko dito yung mga doubts mo unti-unti rito 'no, na masasagot yung mga questions mo yung doubts mo unti-unting magdi-disappear or magfe-fade because this person here 'no, kaya huwag kang mag-alala kasi wala kang kailangan gawin. Kung may mga tanong ka sa isip mo, bakit siya bumabalik, anong kailangan niya, whatever 'no, lahat 'yan masasagot 'no, by, this person's actions 'no, sa'yo. Okay, towards you guys. So definitely you also do not need to do anything. Okay, just watch this person here, okay? And just feel yung kanyang intentions because I know that you, sweetheart, okay, I do pick up that you're highly intuitive and at the same time, you're also spiritual. So, nakita ko rito, no, na itong bagay na to no, ay hindi mo lang nakuha sa panonood mo ng mga tarot or energy readings dahil nakita ko dito may mga talagang addict na sa mga energy or tarot readings, araw-araw nakatambay kahit hindi sa channel ko. Kundi talagang highly spiritual ka, babe. So, definitely, mafe-feel mo talaga yung intentions ng person na ito, no? And from there, no, malalaman mo, ikaw mismo makakapagsabi niyan, no? Kung bibigyan mo pa ba siya ng chance or hindi na. But definitely, you're gonna witness, okay, that this person's intentions are all pure and this person is working from the place or processing from the place of seriousness. Okay, and I do pick up that this person here is coming to steal your heart and to claim ya. So, yeah. Okay, kung sino man tong energy na to, no, this person will come back no, while you're doing something new sa iyong life or sa iyong self. Okay, I do see na, yeah, kung sino man itong energy na to, possible na meron siyang own vehicle, may car or may motorcycle. Just take how this resonates, no? Maybe that is one of the clue for someone watching. Okay? But definitely may sasakyan or wala, definitely this person tuloy with the chariot card energy. Tuloy ang biyahe papunta sa'yo, no? Nakita natin dito na ikaw lang ang laman ng isip niya rito. Ikaw lang yung nakikita ko rito, no? Na bagay rito na nakikita niya na gusto niya talaga na gawin or i-push sa kanyang life, no? So parang may energy siya na minsan lang naman ako parang makakita ng bagay na tingin ko ay maganda or minsan lang ako makakita rito ng bagay na gusto kong pahalagahan pala. Okay, so nakikita ko rito na dahil doon, okay, gagawa siya rito ng paraan upang makabalik sa puso or sa buhay mo. But definitely, no, hindi natin maaalis rito yung katotohanan, no, na ex niyo siya. So, may nakita rin kasi ako dito, no, because of the page, possible na nung naging kayo, pwedeng immature siya or medyo you're too young, no, nung nagkaroon kayo ng relationship, no, ay parang hindi niya pa alam kung ano talaga yung real meaning ng love or yung pagiging seryoso talaga, immature, childish, no, you know. But now this person here sees everything in different angles, no? And I do pick up that whoever this energy is, you really never thought that this person is coming back to you because see, you're facing there and ito, nasa behind mo siya, nasa likod mo siya, no? So I do see that this is something here na might appear shocking or surprising sa'yo. But definitely this is about to happen here. Your ex, one of your ex is coming back this January 2026 and that is after the full moon January 3, 2026 no. So pwede niyo na siyang antabayanan, pwede niyo siyang abangan, pero yeah, like what I've said, okay, hindi ko alam kung sino sa mga ex mo ito. Alright, so yeah, for the initials rating here, yes, we do have. Shall we begin? Medyo madami nakikita natin, no? Sa ating vision, let's start. Capital Y, capital M, capital L, capital C, capital P, capital R, capital T, capital D. And for the rest of the letters might not be capital. We have here O, I. I don't know if that's letter J or 1 kasi parang 1 na straight medyo naputol lang. So just take how this resonates. But definitely 1 is the spiritual number of new beginning or a fresh start. Okay. And for the other letters, no, we have here this letter H, and last but not the least, we've got here the letter Q. So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for you. Again, I'm your Yana. I'm me for the girls and Yana do now for the boys. Sarang heyo, love and light. Annyeong.